Hey guys, welcome to the Python series. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is indexing and slicing. So first, let's get to know what is indexing. An index refers to a position within an ordered list. So basically retains a position of the given string or a value. Python strings can be thought of a list of characters. So indexing here uses the square bracket notation after the string. Indexing allows you to grab a single notation from the particular string. So here you can see the syntax of the indexing. So the character given here is hello, and H is indexed with 0, E with 1, L with 2, L with 3, and O with 4. And if you take it in reverse indexing, it can be characterized as H as 0, E as -4, L as -3, L as -2, and O as -1. Slicing allows you to grab a subsection of multiple characters. In simple words, a slice of the string. This is the syntax for slicing operation, which is enclosed in square brackets, start, stop, and step. Start here indicates the numerical index for the slice start. Stop is the index you'll go up to. Step is the size of the jump or the step size you're going to take. Let us do some examples in indexing and slicing. So I'm going to name my string as my string, and the code I'm going to use is hello world. Here, now I'm going to print hello world. So I should be specifying the variable in which it's stored. So I'll be saying my string. So when I check the type of my string, I should be getting str. So here, how the indexing concept is characterized. So here H is indexed with position 0, E with 1, L with 2, L with 3, O with 4, the space in between hello and world, and that is 5, W6, O7, R8, L9, D10. So if I want to grab a particular character from this string, I should be specifying its position or index position. So if I want to grab H, so I should be specifying its index position, which is 0. So it will print H. It will be giving the output H, which is positioned at index value 0. So if I want to grab R, I can either do it by two methods. Either by doing the straightforward method, which is index, by saying its position 8, and it would print R, or else I can use reverse indexing and say -2, sorry, it's -3, say -3, it would print R. So now let us know what is a slicing operation. So slicing operation basically represented by start, then stop, and step. So I have my string, this. So when I say 2 colon, so it would print all the values after the index, starting from the index 2 until the end, starting from the index 2 position until the end. Here the index position 2 is L, so it will print from 2 until the end. So if I use semicolon 3, so it's going to print until 3. So it's going to start from the initial position and it will print until the index value 3. Now if I mention 3 and 6, it would start from 3 and it would print until the index value is 6. So here, now if I don't mention any index position, I just put 2 column here, so it's gonna print from start to end. So I didn't mention anything, so it's going to print from start to end. So if I don't mention start and end and just specify the step size, which is this, so it's gonna print it in steps. So it's gonna print the first letter and it's gonna take a jump of 2 indexes and it's gonna print the character which is after the 2 index positions, and it goes on like that until the end. This is the actual syntax for so here 2 is the start, 7 is the stop, and 2 is the step. So now it's gonna start from the index position 2 and it's gonna take step size jump 2 indexes. It's gonna step 2 indexes and it's going to print until the index 7. So the index value 2 contains the character L, and the step it's going to take is 2 indexes, and the stop is 7, which is W. So this is also applicable for negative indexing, which is or reverse indexing. It's gonna print from start to end in the reverse manner. So it's gonna print from the last letter to the first letter in reverse.